found us.
I'm so happy, oh, happy and lucky me. I've just come my way, living every day. I don't worry is just to bring things that bother you never bother me. Things that bother you never bother me. I feel happy and fine, living in the sunlight, loving in the moonlight, having a wonderful time. Having got a lot, I don't need a lot, talking's only a dime. We're living in the sunlight, loving in the moonlight, having a wonderful time. Just think about me, I'm just as free as any daughter. I do what I like, just what I like, and how I love you. I'm right here to stay when I won't pray. I'll be right in my prime, living in the sunlight, loving in the moonlight, having a wonderful time.